Indoor environment quality becomes highly important when we realize that we spend more than 90% of our time indoors, home, office, and car. We should also acknowledge the research findings that modern indoor environment can have 200% to 500% more pollutants than the outdoor. Conditions like air quality, lighting, temperature, humidity, and in fact all ergonomics can have their impact on us in the indoor life.
If the last year has taught us anything, it surely has to be that our habitat, be it our homes, our workspaces, or our cities, have to become healthier places to live, and that's the only way they will support humankind over the long run. Our built environment has to be, has to have a consideration for long lifespan, for easy serviceability, for easy maintainability. For being upgradable in the long run, and essentially that our built environment changes as our needs change over the years.
Today, eco-friendly and well are the three buzzwords that we need to look at for any development. In any development, the floor and walls are the largest surfaces, and hence the choice of materials for floors and walls is of prime importance. What kind of materials are we choosing? Are we looking at man-made materials or natural materials? Well, natural materials are beautiful. We love stone, but stones are mined, and mining creates a scar on Mother Earth. It depletes the green cover. Man-made materials in that sense are something that we have been looking at extensively, whether it be boards which replaces ply, or it is tiles that replaces stones. So these are the kind of things that one has been looking at recently.
H&R Johnson India is known for its innovative products in the industry. For indoor quality improvement, I can mention there are three products. First is stain-free tile, which brings an ease in floor cleaning. Second is their Johnson Endura Cool Roof SRI tile, solar reflective index tiles. When installed on the terrace or roof, they claim to bring down the ambient temperature below the roof by more than 5 degrees. Now, in peak summer and scorching sun in India, that's a big advantage. And their third product is antimicrobial tile, what they call germ-free tiles. Johnson germ-free tiles do not have any temporary coating. Rather, they are made using a glaze which has antibacterial characteristic. It works 24/7 and for years to come. These are made using Johnson's patented inorganic antibacterial compound, and good thing is that it has not made the tiles expensive.
It's important that we start focusing on how to address the outside as well as the inside, because there is a certain amount of interdependence. If we have more green spaces or healthier spaces outside that have more shade, especially in the summer months, you will have a more comfortable climate outside, and thereby reduce the need for excessive cooling on the inside. And we all know that people in naturally ventilated environments feel healthier and do remain healthy longer compared to people who are in closed air conditioned spaces.
Better ventilation, more sun inside, minimum consumption of energy, avoiding usage of chemically active substances. These are some of the measures which can help indoor environment to become healthy. But just remember, unless we ensure that environment is healthier outside too, we are not safe. In last many decades, we have caused huge damage and deterioration to the environment. And I do believe that perhaps we are the last generation who can save this earth. वरना ना तो पानी पीने लायक बचेगा, ना हवा सांस लेने लायक, और ना ये धरती रहने लायक.